Anthropometry is used to gain base measurements which can be reassessed to monitor adaptations or changes. These tests are usually conducted on professional athletes. Here are our tests. Lung function. According to Top End Sports, to measure the peak flow, the dial should be placed at the bottom of the scale, which is set at 0. The helper inserts the tube and instructs to take a big breath in and blow out. The client then takes a deep breath in and blows as fast and as hard as possible in one single breath. The dial then moves to the required number and the results are shown. We repeat the test a further 2 more times and take the highest output. In this case, the client's maximum output was 500. In accordance to Mini Wright Peak Flow Meter, our client's predicted score should be 571 plus or minus 100, which was achieved. This suggested he has normal expiratory peak flow.
Blood pressure. Top End Sports suggests the client should be sitting down in a comfortable position. Our client is wearing loose clothing, which would aid the test as it could not affect the blood pressure reading. The armband is then strapped on and followed by starting up the monitor. The pump then inflates the cuff and the rising pressure is then showed on the display. When reaching the inflation pressure, the pump then stops, followed by the pressure steadily falling. The final reading of blood pressure will then be displayed in accordance to bloodpressureuk.org. The client is in the ideal blood pressure category as his systolic levels were 116 and the diastolic was 55. Data indicates that his blood pressure should be below 140 to 90.
Skin fold test. As established by Top End Sports, the skin fold measures the percentage of body fat on the human body. There are 4 sites on which data was collected from the client. Firstly, locate the site. In this case, the bicep region, in which a skin fold measurement is taken between the shoulder and elbow joint. Secondly, using your index finger and thumb, pinch the skin where the measurement is taking place. Thirdly, apply the caliper upon the pinched area of skin to gather a measurement. We repeated steps 2 onwards, a further 3 more times upon the tricep, subscapular and supraspinale. The client's results were bicep 6.5, tricep 14, subscapular 10 and supraspinale 7.
When testing for heart rate, Top End Sport deduces the client must be wearing a chest strap to calculate heart rate and a corresponding watch to indicate. The client must be motionless and breathing normally. Albeit our test was conducted according to protocol, validity and reliability is questionable as our client had just previously completed a vigorous exercise with minimal rest. Our client achieved an average 68 heart rate, meaning he is in the above average category.